Hey guys, this is Chidori, and we found teleporting in Sarathos. Well, G-Dog did it a long time ago, but he couldn't do it again, but now we can. Hold on, I'm going to try to do it. You get that out like right there. Got a ramp, and see if you can get, there we go, like that. You want to turn right there, you press forward, get out, and there you go, teleporting. Teleporting Sarathos, yeah. Awesome. So I'll see you guys next time.